So, ano ba yung tinatawag natin na trauma? Trauma is any overwhelming demand placed upon the human's physiological system. Trauma can manifest in many ways and impact our emotional and mental well-being. Yung mga symptoms nito kagaya ng anxiety, depression, addiction, aggression, anger, yan yung mga symptoms na kadalasan nagiging epekto ng trauma at toxic stress sa ating buhay. Kapag hindi natin naiwasan ang mga reactivity na ito, maaari itong mag-disrupt sa ating daily living. Healing from trauma is possible. With the right support system and the right coping mechanisms, kaya nating mabawasan ang epekto ng adverse experiences sa ating buhay. If you are struggling with toxic stress at epekto ng trauma sa inyong buhay at ready na kayong mag-move on, reach out to You Drive Group Philippines by clicking the QR code at the end of this video. Ako si Boy Dilara, ang ngayong Certified Trauma and Resilience Life Coach. Kung nais ninyong magtanong o may mga hinanaing kayo na gusto ninyong sagutin in a trauma-informed way, mag-comment lang kayo.